Okay, today we're going to review Row, Row, Row Your Boat, or Strum, Strum, Strum Your Uke. Okay, so what we have is an open C chord. And we're just going to use our finger strum or a thumb strum. I prefer the thumb strum. And that's what you strum to the beat. So let's just do it once open. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now we can add the F note, which would just be the C chord with an F note. And it's on the very first fret of your second string. It's weird because the strings go from the bottom. You would think it's first string at the top, but the first string's at the bottom. We're already confusing you, aren't we? So this note right here is the F note. On the second string, you've got your G, F. That's a very strange chord. It's actually a C suspended fourth chord. But all you need to know is the C chord with the F note, or C chord with the F note. So I'll probably write it C with a slash and an F. That way you'll know. Technically, C suspended fourth. Now you can do this C suspended fourth back and forth as you do several songs. This gives it that rock and roll feel. So you see, we got to get you rocking right away. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Do it the old way. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. The new way, boogie, woogie, rock and roll. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Strum, strum, strum the uke gently to the beat. Strumming merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well, that didn't rhyme. Anyway, you got the general idea. It's just off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Now, if you went to the next page in your book, you will see, play a song, Are You Sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong. So you can see this. Off, on, you can do row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Or are you sleeping, are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.